Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I made this delicious coconut rice. So grab a pen and paper as I walk you through the preparation process. So these are basically all the ingredients I used. I'll be adding the full ingredients to the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. First, I started with the rice. I actually used long grain rice, but you can choose to use any kind of rice that you have. I actually transferred it into the bowl, then added enough water to it and washed. This step is actually very important for this recipe because I won't be parboiling the rice. You need to keep washing your rice until the water turns clear, just like this. I know we all know how to wash rice, but I'm just showing you all because of this recipe. I further transferred the rice into a sieve in order to drain out the remaining water. Next, I went ahead to crack the hard shell of the coconut open using a kitchen rolling pin. You can choose to use any other hard tool of your choice. I was so lucky not to spill out the water of the coconuts because this coconut water is packed with lots of nutrients. Moving forward, after cracking the hard shell of the coconut open, I further used a knife edge in order to remove the remaining shell from the coconut, after which I gave everything a quick rinse in order to get rid of some particles. To make the blending process much more easier, I further cut the coconut into smaller chunks. Afterwards, I transferred it into the blender. I also added little water to it in order to aid the blending process, then covered and allowed to blend properly. After blending, I strained the coconut puree through this fine sieve in order to get the coconut milk because this is what I'll be using to cook the coconut rice. I also transferred some Cayenne pepper, that's the shombo, some Scotch bonnet pepper, that is the attarado, and little onion into my mini grinder, then give it a rough blend. So to make the coconut rice, I transferred some palm oil into my pot on medium heat. You can choose to also use coconut oil. When the oil was hot enough, I transferred some onion slice to it, then sauteed till fragrant. I also added a little ginger and garlic paste to it. I love to fry it alongside with the onion. Next, I transferred the pepper mix and allowed to fry. So when the pepper and onion were perfectly fried, looking all fragrant and yummy like this, I went ahead to add the fish. This is hakefish, popularly known as spandler fish or a jakika. I also added dried catfish. I've actually washed and deboned this fish already. So then I gave everything a quick mix to combine. I then went further to season up everything using some curry powder, although it's totally optional for coconut rice. If you must add it like me, be sure to add it in a little quantity. I also added some thyme, not chicken seasoning cubes, salt and some crayfish powder. Then mix everything together and allow to fry for 2 minutes. Remember the rice we washed earlier on? I'll be transferring it into the pot right now. Remember I told you all I won't be parboiling the rice. So just keep stirring and stirring everything just so the rice doesn't stick to the base of the pot. And remember I actually allowed the excess water to drain out. This will help me in the toasting process instead of having a wet rice. So you need to wash your rice earlier beforehand just so you can be able to toast your rice properly. If you haven't tried this recipe of toasting your rice before cooking, this is one you must try and I bet you would definitely love the outcome. So you need to keep toasting your rice till it turns slightly brown, just like this. So after toasting the rice, I then transferred the freshly prepared coconut milk, but you can choose to use the canned ones as well. I also added a little water to it in order to adjust the water level. Remember our rice is very much raw. So I then mixed everything together, then covered and allowed to cook. While the rice was cooking, I went ahead to prep the other vegetables. I actually cut some carrots, green beans and bell pepper. I'm actually using the red, yellow and green bell pepper. I actually love the color combination. Please, if you're watching up to this extent and you're new to this channel, I'm Joy by name. And in this channel, I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much guys. So back to my stovetop. After about 25 minutes, I checked on the rice and I realized it was perfectly cooked. I love how the rice is actually looking, and toasting the rice actually helped me to achieve this consistency. So it's actually time for me to transfer the veggies. So I actually added the carrots and green beans first. This is because they are quite strong. Then mixed everything together. And after about 2 minutes, I then transferred the bell pepper. Then mix everything together. And that's it guys. Our coconut rice is pretty much ready. Let me know in the comment section if you will try out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.